Up next, we have Tarlac City.
Hello. Maya pagat panapon po kaya kayungan, or should I say? Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ivan Durteo from the most forgetful people in Central Luzon, the amnesia capital of the Philippines, and the place where the newest Ayala land is being built, Tarlac City. I am a graduate. Oh yes, madam. I'm a graduate with a degree of Arts and Communications, major in broadcasting at the Tarlac State University, because that is the only course in our school that doesn't have any mathematics, which led to my advocacy, which is safe spaces for the LGBT community inside the learning environment. And contrary to my buang personality, I am actually a church worker, a volunteer catechist, and the first transgender woman to be able to work with the Catholic Mass Media Awards with Cardinal Tagle.
Hi. You know that being transgender and religion do not really mix well. How did you blend the two?
Growing up in a very religious family, it was actually very hard for me, simply because they always say that God only created a man and a woman. So when I started to transition, my parents did not accept me because they told me that it was a sin. Na masusunog daw ako sa dagat-dagatang apoy pag nagpakatuloy ako sa pagkabayot ko. But people tend to sometimes ridicule that. That's why I stayed with my religion. I served the church. Why? Simply because I wanted to show them that even if I am a transgender woman, that even if I myself am a member of the LGBT community still, I can serve the Lord. Still, I can be able to serve God in my own way. And there is no 11th commandment which said, thou shalt not be gay. As long as I am not hurting other people, I am not stealing, I am not judging them. Well, sabi nga nila sila, sa nangusga sa amin, magbait-baitan kayo, para sa langit-langitan kayo magpunta. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Tapos na po.
Ano?
Ay, hindi.
Hindi ko
Aas pa
maintindihan.
ba? Okay,
last.
sige po.
Hindi ko maintindihan yung sinabi mong na yung Tarlac is nakakalimutan. Tama ba yan?
Yes, because Your
Bakit?
Honor, hindi ko na po maalala.
Ayun. Sorry hindi ako current.
Yes.
Ayun ba yun?
Yes, hindi ko na po maalala.
Hindi mo rin maalala yung age mo, di ba?
Yes, I forgot. Because why focus on age? Age is just a number. Right? That is correct. Any more?
So si Cardinal Tagle, di ba, the people are saying that who you've worked with, right? You said in the Catholic Mass Media organization. How was your interaction with him? And if you had a chance to talk to him, what will you tell him if in case he becomes the next pope?
Actually, when I first worked there, they did not know that I was transgender. They thought that I was a biological woman because naglakas loob po ako na magsuot ng feminine clothes because that's just who I am. I was just quiet. And then, all of a sudden, there was a rerun of Super Sirena on television. They saw me. And that is when they know I was trans. And then, they called me. I was shocked because I didn't know what to say because I thought they will get mad. I thought they will get mad at me. But surprisingly, based on my experience, not just, if I may, not just with Cardinal Tagle alone and with my parish church, they were the first ones who accepted me. because maybe I've showed something in them that they believe that even though I am like this, it's not their position to judge, but it's what I can offer. And what I can say to Cardinal Tagle is I want to thank him for being as progressive as he is, for being this predominantly Catholic country. And if you remember me, Cardinal Tagle, where's the camera? That one. Hi, Cardinal. Andito na ako. And if you become the Pope one day, I'm not asking for same-sex marriage, don't worry. I am just asking that you may convince the church that not all LGBT members are sinners and not all are bad. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tarlac City.
Thank you so much, Miss Carla. Thank you po.